Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change the selfie on your Bitmoji on Snapchat. So go to your profile page on the top left corner of your screen where there is a Bitmoji. And then I'm just going to select on my Bitmoji up here and then press change selfie. Here I'm going to find the sort of selfie that I want to put on my profile. This one's pretty cute. Then I'm just going to press done. And if I go back, as you can see, it'll change automatically to the selfie that I chose. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!